Stock photo sales offer a lucrative opportunity for photographers worldwide to earn money by selling their photos on stock photo websites. To get started, you need to create an account on a stock photo website and upload photos that meet the website's requirements for quality, size, and format. To sell your photos on stock photo sites, your photos need to be popular. To achieve this, your photos must be eye-catching, high quality, and unique. Additionally, your photos should be tailored to specific concepts or trends. To ensure that your photos are sold at a reasonable price, you should use marketing strategies when selling them. This includes proper tagging, keyword optimization, and using social media. One of the advantages of stock photo sales is the potential for a passive income stream. Once uploaded and approved, your photos can generate income for you passively. Understanding the policies of stock photo websites is essential for anyone who wants to sell their photos. These policies cover what types of photos are acceptable for upload, pricing, payment plans, and usage rights. Other factors to consider when selling your photos on stock photo sites include taking high-quality photos, targeting popular subjects, developing a pricing strategy, adhering to the website's policies, and uploading multiple photos. In conclusion, to be successful in stock photo sales, you need to take high-quality and popular photos, use appropriate pricing strategies, and follow the policies of stock photo sites. Stock photography can be a profitable and efficient way for many photographers to earn income, but success requires patience, hard work, and passion. In conclusion, stock photography provides an opportunity for photographers interested in earning money from their work. To get started, you'll need to create an account on stock photography sites and then take photographs that meet their specific quality, size, and format requirements. To be successful in selling stock photos, it's important that your photos are high quality, unique, and attention-grabbing, while also catering to current trends and popular themes. To ensure that your photos are priced appropriately and marketed effectively, it's important to use pricing strategies, keyword optimization, and social media to your advantage. One of the major benefits of selling stock photos is the potential for passive income, as your photos will continue to sell even after they've been uploaded. It's important to note that each stock photography site has its own policies regarding what types of photos can be uploaded, pricing, payment plans, and usage rights. As such, it's essential to thoroughly research and understand each site's policies before uploading your photos. There are several important factors to consider when selling stock photos, such as taking high-quality photos, targeting popular themes, creating a pricing strategy, adhering to each site's policies, and uploading a large number of photos without sacrificing quality. By following these guidelines and remaining patient, hardworking, and passionate, you can turn stock photography into a lucrative and efficient way to make money from your photography skills. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next videos. Take care of yourself.